in the ongoing operation at South Kashmir's Tral area, and this after heavy exchange of fire was reported between the joint security forces and the terrorists. Now, according to reports, there are 2 to 3 terrorists who are trapped in Tral town of Pulwama, and one of the terrorists is injured in the firing. Zeenat is live with us. Zeenat, tell us about this encounter that's currently underway. There's a big update that a terrorist has also suffered injuries.
Deepak, this is an encounter that is taking place in South Kashmir. This is the Tral town, Tral village of Avantipora of Pulwama district in South Kashmir, where the gunfight began early morning, and there are the reports that the 3 terrorists are trapped in this encounter. Although unconfirmed reports suggest that the 1 terrorist had been neutralized in this operation. We're just waiting for the official confirmation in this regard that the 1 terrorist in this ongoing operation has been neutralized. A threat on ground has been neutralized. There are more 2 terrorists who are trapped in this gunfight because the Avantipora police, the SOG of Avantipora, along with the Indian Army, got an report about the presence of terrorists in one of the residential houses in Nadir Tral. This is the Nadir village of Tral in Avantipora's Pulwama district, where the gunfight is on. The CASO was launched, and accordingly the CASO turned into an encounter when the terrorists fired upon the security forces. We are picking up that the 1 terrorist has been neutralized in this ongoing operation. But before jumping to the gun, we are waiting for the official confirmation in this regard. But yes, the gunfight in Tral is on. Tral has always been an active as far as the terror infrastructure on ground is concerned. You remember whether it was Burhan Wani or the other people who were known for their terrorism on the ground from the Hizbul Mujahideen. This is their belt, and we see again after a very long time when the gunfight has erupted once again in Tral, where we picking that it is either the Hizb or the Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists who have been trapped in this, although we are yet to get any official confirmation in this regard. But there is an encounter that is on. It is SOG Avantipora, part of the operation, along with the Indian Army and the CRPF being in the outer cordon of this operational area.
Zeenat, does this, Zeenat, sorry to interrupt you, but does this affect the ceasefire understanding?
No, definitely not. This doesn't affect any way the ceasefire understanding, because ceasefire is something that where you don't have to touch the border belts and let me have the silence on the borders, let you don't disturb it. But as far as the terrorism or the terror infrastructure, this is the seeds are sown long back, 3 decades back, when we have been seeing the insurgency in the Kashmir Valley, where we've been seeing the local bodies or the foreign terrorists who have infiltrated in the very. As far as the ceasefire violation is concerned, that it is usually the guns that are being exchanged between the 2 countries on the border belt. Sometimes what the Pakistan army does, that they use this ceasefire violation weapon and they try to push infiltrators. Those infiltrators are usually the Pakistani terrorists that get into the Indian soil through different ways, whether giving a cover by the Pakistan army or then helping the porters and the other chain of the terror infrastructure to get them in the hinterland. That is altogether a different thing. Here, as far as the encounter is concerned, usually either it is the local boys or the foreign terrorists. There is no question of the 3rd person here. And let's see who these terrorists are, who neutralize. As we are picking from my sources, that these are the local boys who have been trapped after getting an intel by the J&K police about their movement. This input was shared with the concerned unit of the Indian Army, and then both launched a coordinated search operation, which resulted into a gunfight. The gunshots are being heard. Heavy volume of exchange was witnessed by the locals. Although we see there is no, the movement on ground has not been hampered. But yes, as a drill, we see that number of security forces on the ground has been increased till the dead bodies are retrieved and the operation.
That's right.
You will witness more such scenes on the ground.
That's right, Zeenat.